Going to be two case player breaks of contenders pretty much every night next week. So we'll pick out which 4 we want to do for contenders. Contenders football tonight, guys. Good luck. Alright, let's see here. We'll put that one there. We'll put that one there. We'll put these ones over here. That'll be starting on Sunday night of contenders. What do we think? Do we want to do the left, the middle, or the right? Left, middle, or right on contenders football? Any thoughts? Left, middle, or right? So we've got a left and a middle, so we're doing both. We'll do those 2 and those 2. Good luck, guys. Contenders football. Box number 1. So you'll have to help me out on the variations. I haven't seen much of any of them yet. So we are due a Lincecum in Dynasty. We've gotten 15 boxes or 15 cases. Have not seen a Lincecum yet. Got a die cut Steve Young, 49ers. Base behind it. Kind of like that white border. It's kind of cool. Got these kids cards. All base. Got a Richard Sherman pennant base. The baseball break, we still have a little bit to go. It'll be, we got contenders to go, 4 base. Then we got NT basketball. Got a redemption for a rookie ticket, 226, Matt Jones. So probably half hour, probably closer to 10:40, or basketball is after this one. Probably 20 minutes on that, 20 minutes on the basketball, probably 30 minutes on the Dynasty baseball. So first auto tonight was a Matt Jones. Die cut, TJ Yeldon, Jaguars, 4 base. Five base. Dual Cowboys, Des Bryant, Tony Romo. Base. First live auto. The sticker auto. Tampa Bay's Kenny Bell. Kenny Bell for the Bucks. 4 base. Got a die cut AJ Green pennant for the Bengals. 4 base. Next auto, Cleveland Browns. Cameron Irving. Cameron Irving, Cleveland Browns. Die cut. Buffalo's Carlos Williams. Base. All base. Got an MVP Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay. Base. Got another Tampa Bay Buccaneer, Kalen Clay. Kalen Clay for the Bucks. Base. Die cut or a pennant. Larry Fitzgerald, Arizona. Base. Got a playoff ticket, $1.99. Raiders, Latavius Murray. Base. Or base. Or base. Say dual round numbers, you've got Carlos Williams, Rashad Green. Say since these are base, we'll probably just split them up as we go. Other auto, Baltimore's Terrence McGee. Terrence McGee, Baltimore Ravens. Base. Die cut, Matt Jones or Matt Ryan, Falcons. Base. Five base. Today, tomorrow night we'll have some more contenders. Also tomorrow night we'll have some Strata football or Strata baseball. Excuse me. Strata baseball and maybe Bowman's Best. Baseball. And then Friday we'll start doing some NT baseball. Got a playoff ticket, number 299. Carolina's Devin Funchess. Finishing box 1. Devin Funchess. Carolina. Number 299 on card. Number 2. Box 2. Got a Marcus Mariota pennant base. Right behind it, got a base auto, not numbered. Tessie's Marcus Mariota. Go away, start box number 2. Marcus Mariota, the Titans. This is going to be the Marcus Mariota box. 3 packs, 3 Mariotas, 2 inserts, and an auto. Base. Got an MVP, Cam Newton, Carolina. Base. Auto. Dallas Cowboys, Gus Johnson. Gus Johnson, Dallas Cowboys. Base. Patriots, Tom Brady. Base. Why base? Or base. Got another playoff auto on card, number 2, 199. This one, 2, 199. Arizona's David Johnson. David Johnson. Arizona Cardinals. Base. Got a die cut Brett Favre, Green Bay. Base. cut Denver's Damaris Thomas. Base. Got a sticker auto. Cleveland's Malcolm Johnson. Malcolm Johnson. Cleveland Browns. Base. Rookie of the Year, Amir Abdullah. Lions. Base. Base. Got dual Jets, Eagles, Nelson Aguilar, Leonard Williams. Got a Minnesota Vikings, Taylor Heineke. Taylor Heineke for the Vikes. Base. Jets, Brandon Marshall. Base. Got a playoff to 199. Saints, Drew Brees. Drew Brees for the Saints. Playoff to 199. Yeah, let me get done with box number 2. Base. Dynasty is after NT basketball, so we probably have half hour. Or probably a little bit closer to 11 on Dynasty. Dual Dez Bryant, Tony Romo for the Cowboys. Base. Last pack, box 2. Another auto, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Quan Alexander. Quan Alexander. Finish now, box 2. There's that David Johnson. Number 3. Box 3. Dual, you've got Chargers, Rams, Todd Gurley, Melvin Gordon. Base auto. The Saints, hello, kickoff. The Saints. Base. Got Tennessee's Marcus Mariota. 4 base. 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 Got another playoff auto, number 2, 199. On card for the Jets, Devin Smith. On card for the Jets, Devin Smith to 199. Dual Denver's Damaris Thomas, Pickman. So we'll randomize that when we get done. All base. 150 points. Got a pennant. Tom Brady, Patriots. Base. Cracked Ice Auto. Number to 23. Cracked Ice to 23. Right team, right position, wrong player. Raiders, Josh Harper. Josh Harper for the Raiders. Number to 23. Josh Harper, cracked ice. Got Devin Funchies, Carolina. Base. Yeah, but that's how Contenders always has a lot of ton of autos. MVP, DeMarco Murray. Auto. Chicago Bears, Eddie Goldman. Eddie Goldman. Base. Got a pennant. Broncos, Demaryius Thomas. Playoff 199. Blake Bortles. The Jags. Base. Or base. Die cut, Buffaloes, Thurman Thomas. Or base. Got another pennant of Brandon Marshall for the Jets. Got a rookie draft auto. Number 2, 199. On card, you've got a Devontae Parker. Huh. Devontae Parker. Somebody actually emailed me about that too. Forbase. About Jared Haynes. Or Jared Haynes. Got Max Williams. Base. Last pack, box number 3. All base. Box number 4, then we'll move on to box 4, then we'll move on to NT basketball. Box number 4. Base. All base. Duel for the Bears. You've got Alshon Jeffrey, Jay Cutler. Base. Got a sticker auto. $1.99 Jaguars, Ben Koyak. Ben Koyak for the Jags, $1.99. Base. Huh. Got a Bucks, Jameis Winston. Base. Got a sticker auto. Pittsburgh Steelers, Doran Grant. Doran Grant. Base. Die cut rookie of the year, Tyler Lockett. For the Seahawks, Tyler Lockett. Base. Base. Got a Chargers again, Todd Gurley, Melvin Gordon. Base. Got a rookie ink sticker auto. Kenny Bell. Kenny Bell. For the Steelers. Kenny Bell. Base. Got a Green Bay's Aaron Rodgers. Base. Or base. Got a rookie of the year, David Cobb, Tennessee. Got a rookie of the year on card auto, number 2, 199. Detroit running back, Amir Abdullah. Amir Abdullah for the Lions. Base. Got an MVP, Falcons, Matt Ryan. Base. Got a rookie ticket. Tennessee's David Cobb. Excuse me, Trey McBride. Trey McBride, Tennessee. Base. Detroit's Matthew Stafford. Pennant. Base. Got a playoff to 199. Colin Kaepernick. San Francisco 49ers. Base. Sticker auto. Dallas Cowboys. Antoine Goodley. Antoine Goodley for the Cowboys. Die cut, Steve Young, or excuse me, die cut, Joe Montana for the Niners. Base. Got a Demaryius Thomas, Denver Broncos. Base. Last back. All base. Finishing contenders. Football tonight. We got 150 points. We'll randomize. Then we'll go on to our NT basketball. 150 points and then NT basketball. Then after that, we'll do some dynasty. Alright, let's see here. Jets, Bills, Dolphins. Patriots, Chiefs, Raiders, Broncos, Chargers, Ravens, Browns, Bengals, Colts, Titans, Jags, Texans, Vikings, Lions, Bears, Packers, 49ers, Cardinals, Seahawks. What else we got here? Panthers, Falcons, Bucks, Saints, Redskins, Eagles, Giants, and Cowboys. Alright, guys. So we'll go 3 times like we always do. 3 times like we always do. First time you got the Cowboys. Second time the Panthers. Third time your 150 points going to go to the Philadelphia Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles getting your 150 points tonight. One of the Eagles. So that'll do it on our contenders tonight for Wednesday night.